Chevrolet pickup street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Now, the one thing I am going to mention up front here, so you can check out the still pictures and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. If you look at this video, the way that the color's picking up with the video and the way the lights are here, it comes across as more of a light blue. This truck, if you look in the still pictures, is more of a turquoise. What it reminds me of is tropical turquoise and say like a Tri-5 Chevy. Just to give you an idea, check out the still pictures. I'll tell you where to check those out here in a second. Underneath the hood, 350 Chevrolet V8 powered that is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does work. And as you can see, you kind of have the flat gray grille, which is a nice highlight on this turquoise truck. Now, as far as still pictures, when I pictured it up, I put a filter on to try to get it as close to the true color of this truck as I could. Check out the still pictures so you can see the color at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on Krager SS wheels. This truck is all steel with the exception of the rear fenders and running boards. Approximately 14,000 miles on it since the build. It has a custom shortened box, and we're going to check that out here in a little bit. Front end, Mustang 2. Rear end, Ford 9-inch. Here you can see a custom shortened box. Also, the diamond plating that is on the bottom of this. You can take this toolbox out. It was with a couple bolts that can set out, and this diamond plating will actually lift up. It's hinged up in front behind the cab. Now, one thing to remember, we do consider trades. Also, financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Interior is a black and turquoise piping on the seats, black carpeting, painted dash, tilt column. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And we're going to fire this up. I'll raise up one of the hood sides so we can check out that engine bay and take a look under that too before we wrap up this video. All right, so bucket seats. Her shifter down in the center. There are also a couple gauges up top here. You got a fuel gauge, volts and tack up on the top, and again, tilt column. You can kind of see how the piping on the seats match the color of the vehicle. And again, more of a turquoise and how it shows up in light blue on the outsides. This is getting pretty close to the true color right there. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See oil pressure, temp gauge, and speedometer. The 13,769, according to the previous owner, who has had this truck for the last 10 to 12 years. That is the miles since the build. We have an aftermarket stereo underneath. There's your AC controls, and then your headlight switch. It's actually right here. Alright. Smooth running engine. Slip around to the back, see how it sounds. Close that door. Nothing crazy for exhaust as far as loudness. Nothing obnoxious. Just a nice little rumble coming out of that small block shed. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to lay one of the hoods open so you can check out the engine bay at least from one side.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, there, leave one of the hoods gently open. Electric fan, HEI ignition. Edelbrock intake. Also an Edelbrock carb. Chrome AC compressor you can see there. Old dress up on the engine with a chrome valve cover. number, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, take a close look at the still pictures. This is a little more of a turquoise color than a light blue. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you